If you don't like complicated instructions but still want to fit an engine, then stick around. First things first, make sure you have all your tools laid out. Trust me, nothing's worse than hunting for a wrench mid-job. Next, disconnect the battery. Safety first, folks. Now, carefully lift the engine using a hoist, and take your time here. Patience pays off. Align the engine mounts with the frame, and once you're lined up, lower the engine slowly and secure it with bolts. Tighten them evenly to avoid any issues down the road. Connect the transmission to the engine block. Make sure everything clicks into place. You'll feel it when it's right. Now, reattach the battery and double-check all your connections. Everything tight? Great. You're not just fitting an engine, you're mastering the art of mechanics. So, give yourself a pat on the back. You've got this. Ready to see it in action? Fire it up and enjoy that sweet, sweet sound of success.